So starting with the another answer, active participants in advertising. So these are the people who will actively, who will continuously throughout work for your advertisement. Whatever your advertisements is, these are the people who will be working throughout. Now, who are these? Number one is the advertiser. Second, the ad agency. Third, audience. Fourth, your ad media. Then your ad production firm and government authorities. So these six people will actively work to make your advertisement fruitful, so that whatever are your words that will reach to the customers, each and every customer. Okay. So number one is your advertiser. Now, who is the advertiser? Advertiser is a person who will give their product or services, or who wants to advertise the product or services or ideas. Okay. Advertiser include any seller of a product, trade intermediaries, anyone. In short, he is a person who wants to advertise or who wants to promote its product, service, or ideas. Okay? So there are advertisements who takes couple of ads in a year. That means a particular product will come out, or a particular brand will come out, many different advertisements. Here, just for an example, Patanjali products. So Patanjali is a brand. That brand has different products under his heads. है ना? Patanjali shampoos है, Patanjali soap है, Patanjali oil है. So these all are different products of a particular brand, and that Patanjali wants to advertise. So Patanjali will be the advertiser. Another example is a Cadbury, isn't it? So even Cadbury, we have seen Cadbury always come out with the different advertisements. Cadbury always catch all the occasions, isn't it? अगर दिवाली आ रहा है तो दिवाली का कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ, होली है तो होली का कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ. So these people, these brands are the advertiser, because they are having the product, they are having the services. Sometimes they also advertise the ideas. Another important participant is your ad agency. As I said you before also, ad agency is the one who will work out for your advertisements. See, advertiser will give the product or service information to the ad agency. Now, ad agency is the one who will work on it, who will frame the advertisement, who will frame the illustrations, all the dialogues, pictures, motions, everything, hiring of media, everything will be taken care by ad agency. Okay. Now here the advertisement agencies or the ad agency will not be doing free of cost. They will charge commission, or they will charge some amount. It is depending upon the agency to agency. Some agencies charge commission, some agencies charge fees. It's totally depending upon the agencies. Okay, what type of services they are providing, based on that they will charge to the advertiser. कैसे charge करेंगे वो advertisers. Next, audience. Now, who is this audience? Audience is you and me. That means we are the ones who are listening to advertisement, who are viewing to advertisement, who are reading an advertisement. So we all are the audience. Okay. So whatever is the advertisement are directed to the mass audience. Some products are directed to the class audience, but majority of the advertisements are one to all. One to all means the ad agency will make the advertisement in such a way that this advertisement is directed to the mass audience. few luxurious products, we can say like this, luxurious products, those advertisements will be directing especially to the some particular class group or some targeted audience. For example, advertisements of a Ferrari. So we know that Ferrari is a product which is not the pocket of each and every individual. Right? Middle class, lower class, upper middle class, these people cannot purchase, not even think. So हमें पता है Ferrari advertisements, even you might be seeing, even I might be seeing, but we cannot purchase it, we cannot buy it. It is focusing to a special group, a target group. But it is not that we are not seeing it. We also see it. We also come across such advertisements. So we are the audience. Audience can be a viewer. That means audience can see that. Audience can be a reader. Audience can be a listener. So these are the three types of audience: viewer, readers, and listeners. So whatever advertisements is run by the ad agency is directed to the next ad media. Another important tool or wheel, we can say that, of advertisement. Ad media. Without media, you cannot advertise. Advertiser अपना आइडियाज और प्रोडक्ट्स एड एजेंसी को दे देगा, है ना. एड एजेंसी उस पर काम करना स्टार्ट करेगा. फिर हम ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट कैसे करें? So for that connection, we need ad media. Now, what type of media we are going to select? Or what, first of all, what are the medias? So here we will using any media, press media, that is print media, broadcasting media, outdoor media, or digital media. These are the various medias through which we can advertise our product. Print media में क्या आएगा? Television, newspapers, magazines. These are the print media, leaflets. Then is a broadcasting media. Here we will be using television or radio. Outdoor media. Here we can take help of the sky balloons, hoardings, posters, and latest one is your digital media. Very useful tool. So these are the medias through which we can promote our product. So who is going to select the media? Media is selected by the ad agency. This you will have to keep in mind. Media is always selected by the ad agency depending upon the budget of the advertiser. Okay, ad agency will not alone finalize the things. He will always discuss with the advertiser, and depending upon the ad budget, he will finalize the media, or depending upon the product. Sometimes what happens, budget nahi hai, fir bhi promotion zaruri hai. So that time also we will see what is the product or service, or what is the need of the information. Based on that, we will be selecting a particular media. You can also select more than one media. As I said, you totally depending upon you. Next is your ad production firm. Now, what is the role of this firm? See, this ad production firm will finally give you the output of the advertisement. They will give you the briefing of your advertisements. Okay, they will finalize the character, they will finalize the photographs, they will finalize the dialogues, they will finalize the motions, they will finalize the images. Everything will be finalized by the ad production firm, and this production firm will produce your ad. Okay, and then ad production firm will give us the output. Output means final ready करके मिलेगा हमें. So connection कैसे start किया हमने? Advertiser will give the work to the ad agency. Ad agency will give work to the ad production firm, and then they will select a media, and finally it will come to the audience. Another important pillar, is your government, because there are some rules, some regulations which are framed by the government, which has to be followed by each and every advertiser as well as the ad agency. We cannot go beyond such code or such rules and regulations. There are some codes which we will be seeing further. So there are some codes framed by the government. There are some rules and regulations framed by the government, which has to be followed by each and every advertiser and the ad agency. If they fail to follow those code or those regulations, they are having the authorities. There is a body. That body has the authority to cancel the particular advertisement. Okay, so even government play a very important role in these advertisements.